Cancer, Spirit is signaling that a 24-hour window is opening for you. A focused, potent period that can shift your path in meaningful ways. This is a timeless reading and it arrives exactly when you need it. Within these next 24 hours, Spirit wants you to notice the energies influencing you, the subtle opportunities appearing, the conscious actions you can take, the hidden blocks that may appear, and the possible outcomes if you align fully with your highest self. Hey, beautiful soul, this is Aira. How are you feeling today? As I connected to your energy, Spirit highlighted 3 key themes for you: intuition, emotional clarity, and practical discernment. Cancer, this window isn't about rushing or forcing. It's about honoring your natural sensitivity while stepping confidently into choice. This reading is your guide to navigate the next 24 hours with awareness and intentional action, using both heart and mind in balance. The first card is Emotional Compass. Spirit shows that your current energy is tuned to intuition, but it may feel clouded by overthinking or emotional residue from past experiences. You might have been second-guessing yourself or overanalyzing decisions, and this card reminds you to reconnect with your inner guidance. Practically, Emotional Compass asks you to take a moment to observe your feelings without judgment, which emotions are genuinely yours and which are influenced by external pressure or past experiences. Spirit suggests journaling or mindful reflection to separate these layers. Emotionally, notice where you feel heaviness or hesitation. This is where clarity begins. Energetically, your sensitivity is your strength. Even subtle impressions, a thought, a gut feeling, a fleeting insight, carry important information. Spirit emphasizes that small acts of noticing and honoring your intuition can significantly shape outcomes in this 24-hour window. Spirit also highlights the importance of self-care. When you honor your own energy and boundaries, you create a stronger foundation to act with clarity and purpose. The second card is Opportunity Tide. Spirit shows that an important opportunity is subtly arriving, though it may not look dramatic on the surface. It could appear as a conversation, an idea, a new contact, or an internal insight. Practically, this card urges you to be attentive to cues, respond to messages, check your intuition, and notice synchronicities. Small actions, even seemingly minor, can catalyze meaningful change. Emotionally, allow excitement to motivate without creating pressure or anxiety. Energetically, your vibration is aligning with possibilities that resonate with your authentic path. Spirit encourages receptivity over force, observing where energy naturally moves rather than pushing against it. Spirit also emphasizes discernment. Not every opening is meant for immediate action, but noticing the right ones now primes you for momentum. The third card is Deliberate Choice. This card asks you to pause and consciously decide which actions serve your highest good. In the past, you may have acted reactively or from emotional habit, and this card asks for clarity and intentionality. Practically, consider what aligns with your priorities and values. Which choices feel expansive and which feel constrictive? Spirit reminds you that even small, deliberate steps taken with awareness can create significant ripple effects. Emotionally, check if your decisions come from calm intuition or reactive fear. Energetically, deliberate choice amplifies the power of intention. Conscious action now creates momentum that can carry beyond this 24-hour window. Spirit emphasizes the compounding impact of choices made with clarity. Now, Cancer, if you're drawn to deeper insight, explore your full 2026 energy forecast. $155 for month-by-month guidance on love, abundance, and purpose. For immediate clarity, $9 personal sessions and $99 monthly membership offer ongoing alignment. Comment below your reflections or intentions. Sharing your insights strengthens energetic flow. The fourth card is Hidden Currents. Spirit shows subtle blocks or influences that may interfere with alignment. These could be old beliefs, unprocessed emotions, or resistance to change. Recognizing them is key to moving forward. Practically, observe where discomfort or hesitation arises. Journaling, deep reflection, or mindful pausing can illuminate these blocks. Spirit emphasizes that awareness is the first step toward resolution. Emotionally, approach these currents with compassion. They are signals, not faults. Spirit also notes that these blocks may involve external pressures or outdated routines. Recognizing where your energy has been given away unconsciously allows you to reclaim control and act from power. The fifth card is momentum flow. Spirit shows that when you consciously align with guidance, opportunities, and actions, tangible progress is possible. This may show as clarity, movement in work or relationships, or inner confidence. Here, like, share, and subscribe to support this energy reaching others. Comment your reflections. Your engagement amplifies alignment and manifestation. Practically observe synchronicities and intuitive nudges. They indicate alignment. Emotionally, allow momentum to guide without forcing outcomes. Energetically, your vibration now attracts what matches your highest self. Celebrate even small wins. They reinforce your pattern of alignment. The sixth card is intentional focus. Spirit emphasizes that your attention is a powerful tool. Small, conscious choices, what you think, say, and do, will have amplified effects during this window. Use your focus to notice subtleties, act thoughtfully, and prioritize actions that serve your highest good. Presence now compounds into momentum beyond this 24-hour period. Affirmation: I am aware, aligned, and open to receive. I act from clarity, trust my intuition, and embrace the flow Spirit provides.